Good afternoon, welcome back to Auto Assets. My name is Zach, and here with us today is a 2021 BMW X7. This is a 40i X-Drive, and this is finished in Glacier White Metallic. It has ride control adaptive suspension, 360 view camera system, and these nice big 21-inch 9 double spoke wheels. Start up here at the driver front wheel. Great shape, a little bit of curb rash here and there, but nothing too substantial, very minimal stuff going on. A little bit right there on the lip. Rear, a little more of the same, nothing too substantial, but a few little dents, dinks on the wheels. Back here at the passenger rear, a little curb rash up here at the top. And there's a little more down here at the bottom there. Finally up here at the passenger front, a little more curb rash right there along the lip. A few spots here and there. And we'll take it interior. We have a Tartufo brown leather interior, very beautiful. I like it a lot on this spec, especially with the black accents. Looks really good. Now back here for the second row passengers, we do have the power mirrors and the power sunshades, and also the controls there for both the first, second row sunroofs and the third row sunroof. So you can operate those shades accordingly. Adjustable second row seating. And second row and third row seating is all power, so if you have to get the seats down to load some cargo easily from the back or the second row, it can be done. Get you a little peek back there at the third row. That third row does have its own climate control system right here at the top, and it does have 3-stage heated seats back here as well, so pretty cool. USB-C charging system and ambient lighting. And you can see for the second row passengers, you have the USB-C charging system there on the passenger seat back and driver's seat back, as well as some more of that ambient lighting on the doors and behind the passenger driver seats. Dual zone climate control back here, as well as the 3-stage heated seats. More USB-C charging systems down there at the bottom below the storage compartment. front. Memory settings, as well as heated and ventilated front seats. You've got your sunshade controls right there. Harman Kardon premium sound system. Driver front seat with multi-contour seating, as well as the power adjustable knee bolsters. Nice big infotainment system here, along with navigation. There are your buttons there for your driver and passenger 3-stage heated and cooled seats. And as you press those buttons, you'll get the message up on the dash here, where you can also control your settings here, and for the passenger. So pretty neat. Nice big storage compartment here. 2 cup holders and a wireless charging pad for your cell phone. Got an 8-speed automatic gearbox. This does have the ride control adaptive suspension, so it is fully adjustable up and down depending on driving conditions. Heated multifunction steering wheel. And you have your live Cockpit Pro fully digital instrument cluster. And this does have the navigation that's visible between the tachometer and the speedometer. All right, folks, if you have any questions about this vehicle, feel free to give us a call anytime, 614-793-1050. Feel free to check out our website, www.autoassets.com, where you can find tons of photos of this vehicle, as well as many photos and videos of our other vehicles in inventory.